Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Ka President Kari Droupadi Murmu haringkat ulat ke jela Pagu Chohon Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke Sangma ke MP ke Tura aghata ke Sangma Menteri Kamyele kai ba Shakir Warjri bar kiwe ki Menteri Sarkar nalor ki he officer ke jela. Kala play pajba ya ka 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 Happy East Sangma Stadium Tura West Garo Hills. Ka President kabala ai jingkran hakmat ki nongile kai bar ki official. Ka President Murmu kala ai jingero ya ka jingril spa jong ka than chate lami ngi hakikam mele kai bar ki nongile kai da ka bakdo ya ka jingi jingele kai bar ka jingdon sap jongki pat riulum ka than haki babun ki jingele kai. Kisap ki phong jongki pat ba riulum don kamban kershani kasam na ki jaka jongki ban hikai pentbet yaki bakin long ki klur yele kai. Ngasngokmen banyo I baka imlang salang kathan chate lami ngi shu ka President ka penslur yaki kenthei bakin yele kai bat shim khya ya ki jingele kai kum kakam. Kathan chate lami ngi kadon shibun ki kenthei don sap haki kam yele kai bat ka kdo ba kathan kadon ni kaspa amaryang kabala ban kentiu ya ka adventure sport bat adventure tourism bat badon kam ban bu khmat ha ka ban thau yaki lat kilenti ban ne halor kane ka benta kala on.
I am delighted to attend the inauguration ceremony of the multi-sports event Meghalaya Games. I extend my best wishes to all the participating sports persons. I am confident that they will put on a remarkable show in this edition of the Meghalaya Games. I am happy to note that this opening ceremony of Meghalaya Games is being held in the plie Football Stadium, which is said to be the country's largest pre-engineered composite football stadium. I pay my homage to late Sri P.A. Sangama, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and former Speaker of Lok Sabha. Sri Sangama was the first tribal Speaker of Lok Sabha and also the first Speaker from Northeast. Sri Sangama was loved by politicians cutting across party lines. He was a visionary who worked tirelessly to address Northeast region's unique challenges.